Your website can look beautiful and still completely be misunderstood by Google. This client's website is the perfect example of how that happens. Let me show you what I mean.
All right, so before we get into it, I'm going to give you a quick backstory on this client and basically his vision for this site. When we first created this site, a lot of it was hands-on for him. The video that we're looking at, he created that. He pretty much knew the layout that he wanted. So I tried to honor that. But now he's, pretty much to the point where he wants to work on his visibility. He's getting a lot older. So this year, we're going to be really intentional on restructuring the website and just making sure that Google understands what it is that he actually offers. A quick side note is that we'll be trying to rank for Arizona. It's not very competitive right now for lasers. So we are definitely going to push a local SEO first before we try to expand on a national level. All right, so yeah, let's get into it. So, like I said, he was very hands-on with this. He knew exactly what he wanted, how he wanted it to look like. But I think one of the biggest things that was missing was structuring it for the search engines, right? So, Google pretty much they don't experience websites the same way that we do. They don't see luxury, they don't see the colors and all of that. They don't feel emotions. It literally is just words for them, right? It's like just picture a bug crawling around in your website, trying to find the important words that they feel is necessary to push people to your website. So right now, the website doesn't clearly tell Google what this is. I think the wording it's very fancy, because he is trying to sell an experience. So the wording matters for him, and I completely understand that. But it doesn't clearly establish the primary service, and it doesn't clearly show what sections support that service. So because of this, to a human, it will look premium, but to Google, it feels unclear, and it's still trying to figure out where to actually place this website. And, honestly, this is where most business gets stuck. They think that the design equals clarity, but clarity really is your structure, right? So when your structure isn't clear, Google doesn't know what to prioritize, who to show the site to, and why it's different from the competitors. And, he's extremely different because one of the biggest things when he first came to me that he wanted to emphasize is that he doesn't only do laser lights for like raves and parties and stuff like that. He offers more of a pristine and luxury experience, breathtaking. Those are the words that he likes to use. And he's not just selling laser shows, he's selling an experience. So he wants to make sure that the website reflects that as well. And we can absolutely do both while letting Google know where to push us and where to place us. So when Google is unsure, it's not so much that they punish you, right? It just doesn't promote you. You don't disappear or anything like that. Your website just pretty much stays quiet. And I know that it becomes extremely overwhelming when you look at a website and you have no idea where to start. But in this series, I'll break everything down for you. I'll show you how to hyperlink. Links are extremely important. Just making sure that Google understands what it is that you actually do.
This is why so many beautiful websites struggle with visibility. Not that they're bad, they just need to be structured better. In part two, I'll break down exactly how I structure this page for visibility. If you're interested in a website that actually works to give you the results that you're looking for, feel free to follow along with this series.